Time check, 1100 hours. Location, the Thua Sutherland, Paintball Sunday. The aim is to secure the flag. Money heist versus bank robbers. Secure the flag for Ghana.
Okay, girls, you are welcome to Paintball Sunday. This is our paintball arena. Before we start the game, I just want to explain a few things about handling a gun and also explain some of the games you're going to play today, so that before you start, you have a fair idea of what is expected of you. And so, yeah, this is the paintball rifle. This is a cylinder. It's filled with CO2 gas, and this is what powers the gun. And so, when you press the trigger, there is power that comes from in here, gas, that moves the bullet from the chamber in here all through down here through the nozzle, and it goes out to the target. You understand? And so there is two things about the gun. Now it's not on fire, it's on safety. That is why the right side of the gun, there is a small thing here. It seems to be out. Now when I press it, it goes inside, and then the other side of the gun comes out. So it means that it's on fire. It's on safety now because I'm with you guys, so I don't have to shoot you. You understand? So the game hasn't started, so it has to be on safety, safe mode, literally. But when we are playing the game, it has to be on fire, because you've got to shoot at any time whenever you see an opponent, and so it always has to be on fire. Now, when you are shooting with a gun, we aim in different ways. Now, for example, I've been doing this for a while now, and I realize that my right eye is my best eye. So whenever I'm aiming, I close my left eye and open my right eye. Now that way, I have a clearer shot. Now, how do we aim with this gun? You realize that there is a hole here, and then there is a thing here, over here. Now, when you look through the hole, make sure it connects with the thing here and place it on whatever you want to shoot. So now, I look through the hole with my right eye open and my left eye closed, and then make sure it connects with the dot over here, and then target wherever. How do I hold the gun in such a way that whenever I'm shooting, it fires correctly? Now you need to have the cylinder on your shoulder this way, right? So now I have the cylinder on my shoulder this way. Mind you, I'm not holding the gun this way, I'm holding it this way. So this is what makes it stable. Then you can move anyhow. But if you hold it this way, there is no proper balance, so then it flips downwards. So whenever you're just shooting the ground, not at an opponent, and so always hold it this way. I know it looks fancy holding it this way, but it's not the right way. This is the best way to hold a rifle. Even if it's a real gun, this is the best way to hold it. I hope you get me. And so always have the cylinder over here, so that like you grip it like that, hands underneath, and then you can move anyhow. So it means even when you are running and you hold it this way, you can still shoot accurately. I hope you get me. So this is how a gun works. Now it's on fire, so I can shoot, put it on safety, I shoot, it doesn't work. Always have that in mind. Now this is the bullet chamber. I mean, this is where we place the paint balls, and so the balls are filled with paint. Whenever someone hits you, it splashes on you, so then you know that you've been shot. So I think if you have any questions, you can ask, and then we move on to the next. So there are so many games we play. We have elimination, we have stronghold, we have capture the flag. We also have one we call defend the castle. But because we are not so many, we are going to play capture the flag. Take that. Yeah. So you're going to have a chest protector.
Let's go to your position. fighting. Hi.
We're going to play fight against one, all of them against me.
Alright guys. So remember, spread out.
I can stand and protect.
No, okay, so you will protect. So you just shoot him once he comes.
I'll be watching.
Okay, so Amanda's gonna protect this flag because she's the strongest. Then we will just try, keep hiding. Just run.
Move, he's moving.
She didn't run out. But you didn't win.
Nobody did win.
No, we have won. Because we still have to.
Game, though.
We go and get the flag. Oh my God.
Go and get no.
No, go and get the this one. Bring it. Yo, guys, what an experience. Mission failed. We lost. On how many occasions? I can't believe it. I fell down. I got scratches. I've been bruised. I'm sweating. But I would do it all over again. Like, honestly, it was lit. Like, I definitely encourage all of you guys, if you're looking for some sort of fun, competitiveness, this is the place to be. I mean, I'm going to speak to my girls where we talk about their experience, but you need to be fit. You need to be fit to be able to do this, but it's good. Now, there's no way I can come without talking to the owner, and he is like, I'm not even gonna lie to you, on the field he's like, no remorse, Sergeant Lee, get up. That's what he said to me. Get up, pick up the gun, keep going. Let's see, he's much nicer now. Let's have a chat with him, okay? Hey, how's it going? Thank you so much for today. It was a whole experience. I mean, look, guys, you should zoom in on his sweating. He's still sweating. That's how you know he worked hard. This is the most. I thought I was competitive. This is the most competitive person I've met in my whole entire life. He literally was doing 1 against 5 of us. It was crazy. So tell us, how did Paintball Sunday even come about?
Yeah, so you know, paintball is not something that you find in Ghana so easily. I think there are only 3 people doing paintball in Ghana now. And so we started on Sundays. That's like the paintball Sundays. We used to have like every Sunday we play paintball until we grew, and then we started being open for reservations and bookings, and so people can come and make reservations from Tuesdays to Sundays. We work from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, but we are not always here like this, so you have to make a reservation first, and then we make an arrangement for you.
Good.
Yeah, it's how we started, just on Sundays until we have to do it more often.
So, but why do you love it so much? What was your first experience with paintball like?
It was, I've been exposed to like using real guns before, and so paintball was like a secondary, was like a safer option.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to be in the military, I just didn't happen to make time for it, for all of the entire training process and everything. And so paintball was like the other thing I could do close to being in the military, and it's always been fun. It's next to football for me,
Okay. Hey, next to football, then it must be a good thing.
Yeah, I love paintball actually.
So out here, do you have small groups, big groups? Like, what kind of people come here? What kind of people come for paintballing? Because some people look at Drew and think that she's too much of a girly girl, and we can't do it, but I did. But what would you say is the target audience for paintballing?
Okay, so normally it's corporate institutions as well as family and friends. And
Wow.
so we have various people. We've had up to about 100 people here for paintball before.
Whoa.
Just this December. We had
Oh
100
my
people.
goodness, and
Sometimes-
everyone just comes and is just battling against each
Exactly,
other.
so it's more like a tournament. But when we started, I think it was just about 4 people coming, 6 people coming, until it began to grow through the months and years, and then now we have like large crowds coming in. So normally we even get emails from companies. We want to do employee bonding sessions.
Oh,
we are
yes.
bringing 50 of our employees. What can you do for us? And then we create an event for them and all of that.
Yeah.
So sometimes we tailor an event depending
Oh.
on the people that are coming. But normally it's just family and friends and companies as well. But we don't really have a specific range, and because we've had younger ones, because it's like birthdays. So we have, normally those ones come from the foreign families who live in the
Okay.
States. They normally come for their birthdays and anniversaries.
These are things to do.
So it cuts across the
Well, that's good. What would you say personally paintballing is good for, like in terms of personal development? Because some people might come and use it for working out, a stress reliever. What are the benefits of paintballing?
Yeah, it cuts across everything. But the first thing is self-defense. Because when you're playing paintball, for the first time, normally you are scared. So once you see the pellets flying up and down, and once the game starts, and maybe you get shot and it stings, you are like, oh, this thing hurts, so I'm afraid I shouldn't get shot. But the more you do it, the more resilient you become as a person, and then it allows you to learn how to work under pressure or stay under pressure, So it's good for self-defense as well as mental focus.
Oh, nice.
Paintball isn't only about shooting the gun; it's about planning and strategizing. And so when you start a game, you may start a game and maybe in the first 2 minutes of the game you haven't even shot at anybody. But if you have that mental focus and you have like a proper strategy, you can win a game by firing less than your opponent. So it's not all about just being trigger happy, but it's about having a good mental frame of mind and then strategizing. So it's a lot of things.
It is. There's a lot of things, and you wouldn't even think that from just a simple 1-2 games. I think it's really, really good. If you had to give a message to anyone who was out there, why would you encourage them to come and do paintballing, especially with you, Paintball Sunday?
Yeah. So pretty much, I think I like the fact that other people are doing paintball first of all, because the idea is to grow it into a national sport and be recognized, because in Canada, in Australia and America, there is NXL paintball competition.
Whoa!
There's a paintball World Cup and all of that.
Nice.
So if I just want my platform to be exposed, then nobody else is going to grow, because we all need to grow together so that we all move to the top. And so I think that anyone if you find a paintball arena, I mean, we are the only one that has like a paintball arena this big.
Whoa!
The rest are just target shooting to stand in one place. But if you find us here, I mean, you can come to the Sunderland Park anytime. Give us a call. Find our page on social media, Paintball Sunday. Let's give us a call, make a reservation, and just come and play paintball. It's so much fun.
It is, guys. It is a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun.
Shooting and getting hurt and all of this. There's so much you can learn from it.
And of course, if you don't believe him, I'm about to talk to some of my girls who actually played paintball for the first time. So, let go. So I'm here with my girl, Mima. Good job, girl. Now, if you guys don't know, Mima is a little bit of a girly girl. I mean, she's here in her pink, you know, she's always looking on fleek. Now, when I said to you we're going paintballing, what came to your mind first?
No, first of all, I was like, okay, what is paintballing? And then I went to Google and I was
No, she actually went to Google.
Actually, I was like, okay. And then when we got here, honestly, I was scared because, like, when he was talking and he was like, this is serious business. I said, oh God, what have I got to myself into?
So literally he came, and I'm not gonna lie, he's very militant and scary. He's like, when I'm talking, don't shoot yet, don't waste the pellets. Very serious sergeant. So we're just like, oh no. And we're here with our long nails and long hair. All right, so when you finally got first game, how was it for you, especially when you got hit?
Okay, so I was really scared actually.
Oh wow.
I was so scared.
Oh, she was good at hiding that.
The bullets. So when I got shot, I was like, okay, this is not as bad as I thought. So
it was okay. Would you do?
I still feel the pain a little bit.
But then this pain, when you look back at it, does it make you feel like I've done something?
Yes.
Hey, now she's strong. She'll do it again. Oh my goodness. Okay, cool. So if you were gonna tell somebody out there about paintballing, what would you say?
Please, you have to come. I really enjoyed it. I love it. Like, it just brings you together, and then also like the inner strength, it comes out. Like, it's just fun. Like, come with your group, come with your families. Like, it's really good.
There you go. Usually I say if you didn't hear from Miss Drew, it's not true, but she said it. Mama has said it, and she's a girly girl. So I told you guys I saw the most competitive man in the world. After me, this is the most competitive lady. She doesn't even look like it. But when she gets on the, look at her. No, it doesn't. When she gets on the field, it's a mad thing. Like, show us your battle scars. Show under your foot. The shoe is broken. This is what she did. She was ride or die for the team.
Telling you.
Oh my goodness. So Amanda, you've done paintballing before.
Yes, I have.
So tell us about your experience then and now.
So with my experience from then, there were lots of us, so we were competing with each other. It was fun. You could push yourself on the floor, like hiding like you're some Rambo and things like that. In my head, I was like Arnold Schwarzenegger and stuff like that. But then this time around, just a few of us, and it was even still intense. It was even way intense than when we're like a larger group and stuff like that. Like, because it's just a few people and you need to hide and then you need to win some things and stuff like that. And me, as competitive so young, it had to go down.
So like the first time when I told you we were gonna do paintballing again, you were like, oh my god, yes, I wanted to come. So why did you get so excited about paintballing? What do you love about it?
Really, like, it's just like, I don't know, there's some kind of adrenaline to it, right? Because you're like excited to win something. You're just excited to just go on the ground and feel like you're in a war zone, The things that we watch on TV is coming to life for you.
No, but guys, she was literally
all
like
my fantasies on being, the Tomb Raider.
Oh my goodness! But she actually came ready, like she wasn't even ramping, guys. Ready to be Mrs. Tomb Raider.
You see?
Look at that.
I was ready, born ready.
Oh my god. Alright, cool. So again, if you had to tell somebody to come and do paintballing, what would you say? Like, why would you encourage them to come and paintball?
Seriously, like, it's very fun, and I think when we started, the owners of this place, or the ones that were teaching us what to do and stuff like that, he said that it was like a course, an obstacle course or something like, he gave a word, I forgot it, but it's basically like to teach you like strength, perseverance, I don't know, like he gave some other words and stuff.
It was like a cute pep talk.
Yes, and then it makes you prepared. You're like, yes, I'm ready for it. You're not here to play. And then I get excited about these things, and I'm like, yeah, like you're looking at, oh, how far can you go? How far are you willing to go down to get what you want, The goal is to get what you want.
She's dropping bars. But definitely, I mean, like, doing this paintballing thing, it brings out your inner strength that you didn't even think that you had. And so you're able to, like, push yourself to be like, even though my feet are hurting. I mean, guys, I fell. I can't remember the last time I have fallen on the floor, like me. I fell on the floor, my hands are still muddy, and then he's like, get up. And I'm like, yeah, I gotta do it for the team. I gotta do it for the team. Like,
she was good. Goodness.
Oh, I'm so proud now. I think we'll make it like a once a month kind of thing.
Definitely.
Make sure, Amanda.
Please.
That's
let's
my
go
girl.
back.
Listen, always keep your eye on the prize. Mission accomplished. Of course, guys, this was your girl at paintballing in Afua Sutherland Park. It was fantastic. Make sure you find yourself at Paintball Sundays. It was lit. Right now, mission aborted.